In this video, I'll show you how to create a Facebook business account by setting up a business page so you can promote your brand and connect with customers. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your personal account. A business account on Facebook is created by making a page that represents your business. Tap the menu icon in the corner of the screen, then scroll down and tap Pages. On the Pages screen, tap Create to start creating your business page. Now enter the page name, which should be the name of your business or brand. After that, choose a category that best describes your business, such as local business, brand, or service. Tap Next to continue. You can then add a short bio or description explaining what your business offers. This helps visitors understand your page. Next, upload a profile picture, such as your business logo, and add a cover photo that represents your brand. After adding these details, tap Create Page to finish the setup. Your business page will now be active, and you can start posting updates, adding contact information, and promoting your products or services. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech tips and tutorials.